I turned 100,000 into 10 million in Nigeria. And if I am stuck in a situation where it is only 100,000 naira that I have at hand right now, these are the exact things I'm going to do to actually turn it into 10 million in the next few months. This is not theory. This is exactly what works in Nigeria. For something to actually happen, transformation needs to take place. And the first place that the transformation happens is exactly in your mind. So you don't need more money. You actually need more wisdom to actually turn things around in a country like Nigeria. If you think small, 100,000 will finish very fast. But if you think smart, you can actually multiply the 100,000 and it can actually be your seed capital. Money flows to creativity and value. So don't see 100,000 as your limit, but see it as your launch pad. So with your 100,000, you must go into something that sells very fast and solve real problems for people. Hot niche in Nigeria today that you can invest with your 100,000 and multiply it over a few months are skincare and soap products, food resale and home delivery, mobile accessories, bed sheets, duvets, and home accessories, ice block and ice block distributions, snacks, small chops, drinks, and data reselling. Make sure you start where there is high demand and low cost entry. Don't overthink. Buy small stock. Market aggressively. Sell. Repeat. For example, you can buy duvet, 20,000, 18,000, 17,000, depending on where you are purchasing it from. Basically in Lagos, you can buy from Arena. You can buy from Yaba. Get it at a very low price. You can sell at 25,000. You can sell at 30,000, depending on the bargaining power of your customers. Your aim is to make sure that the money is being turned over. Reinvest the profit. Expand your inventory and keep rolling the profit into growth. The key principle here is speed over perfection because cash flow is king. Use social media as your free shop, your WhatsApp, your TikTok, your Facebook marketplace, to make sure you advertise and promote this product. These social media apps is your mall. Post daily. Show the customers how your product helped them to solve their problems. Use testimonies and simple videos. You can run 1,000 to 5,000 ads to make sure you reach more audience, more customers, more people. You don't need a shop to be a millionaire, especially in this social media era. Track, save, reinvest the money that you have made. Many people make money, but they never grow because they are unable to track the money they make. Pay yourself wisely. Use apps like Money Manager, Notions, or even your notepad. Once you have hit 500,000 to 1 million, don't remain a hustler. Structure your business. Get a business name. It will cost you less than 30,000. Open a business account. Get an apprentice or assistant. Negotiate better deals with suppliers. At this point, you are no longer surviving, you are scaling the business. At this time, you can add new products to the business or you expand the product. Assuming you were selling bed sheets, at this point you can add duvets, at this point you can add throw pillows, at this point you can add curtains, at this point you can add other accessories that are within the bedding sector. You can also begin to sell as a wholesaler, selling to retailers, people that need the product. Now, at this point, you need to target larger audience. Target people that are in diaspora, people that you can make your special product to. You can even add digital products, develop ebooks, train people, get apprentices, people that will serve, train them on things that you know how to do. This is how you can scale your 100,000 naira to 10 million naira in less than 1 year. So if you have 100,000 today, don't cry. It's enough to change your life. The 100,000 doesn't matter, but what you do with the 100,000 is what matters. Make sure you subscribe to follow the full Money Mastery class. Share with every young entrepreneur or hustler that is around you and comment below. I am expanding my money. I am growing my money. My money must grow under my hands. Because small money in the hand of a big thinker creates massive wealth. Think big, think smart, move fast.